Hello everyone, I'm Benoit Jacob. I'm the VP of Design for BYTON, and I would like to introduce you our M-Byte production car. And as you see, very little difference against the promise that we made now 18 months ago with the concept. The car came with the design exactly with the same character, with the very same detail. Of course, you know, like very high-tech appearance of the front through the treatment of the lamps. You can see the connecting lights which can display different scenarios when required. The car went a little bit bolder. That came out of the regulation that we had to fulfill, crash and cooling, for example. But all in all, that makes the car bolder, that makes the car much more present. And then we wanted to keep from the concept the sleekness. For example, you have like the door handles which are like integrated into the body panel. That's a typical designer dream. That was possible, yet with a lot of sculpture, a lot of shape, because we believe that such a vehicle should trigger emotion. And we also focused a lot on efficiency, aerodynamics, such as like these sort of wings, which are like here, done in such a way that you channel the airflow and in a way increase or improve aerodynamic and as such the range.
Hi, I'm Jeff Chung, Vice President of Digital Engineering here at BYTON, responsible for the in-car user experience. So if you look inside, we have kept our amazing 48-inch shared experience display. It goes from the driver's side left to the front passenger right. In addition, we have a 7-inch driver tablet. It's fixed on the steering wheel, so when you drive, the display doesn't move. In addition, we have an 8-inch co-driver display that is used by the passenger, but also can be used by the driver. What we have is a wealth of technology, lots of camera technology in car. We have 2 RGB cameras that are used for to take selfies. They're used for facial recognition for the passenger, but also for teleconferencing. We have a infrared camera driver monitoring system that connects up with our ADAS that will track the driver and make sure that their gaze is always on the road. In addition, we have a gesture sensor that allows both passenger and driver to use hand gestures to be able to control media. Example, they can go through and scroll through the list, make a selection, turn up the volume, turn down the volume. The main interaction is through touch. I can easily turn on map by just a single click, and the map comes on. I can scroll up, scroll down, type in an address, and it will navigate to my destination. In addition, we have multimedia, from streaming music, radio, and even streaming video to your typical radio, AM, FM. I can easily turn on music by just clicking on the button, scrolling up, making a selection, going into a particular album, and then clicking one more time to play the song. Here at BYTON, we're bringing digital content into the automotive environment while still creating an intuitive user experience.
Hi, my name is David Twenig. I'm CTO at BYTON, and it's a really proud moment for me here because I'm standing here representing the hundreds of men and women of the engineering team at BYTON in Nanjing, in Santa Clara, in Munich, in Germany, who have managed to realize the vision that our designers had. Going back to CES in 2018, we showed this fantastic concept car, and now we're standing here in Frankfurt, and as you can see, the production version of the car, it looks even cooler than the concept. But let me take you through a few of the figures. Performance. So we've got 2 battery packs in this car. We've got a 72 kilowatt hour battery pack. We've got a bigger pack, 95 kilowatt hour. Now that's going to give us pretty impressive range numbers, between 430 kilometers right up to 550 kilometers for the big pack in the rear-wheel drive version of the car. The power output of the car is also more than enough. The rear-wheel drive version, 200 kilowatts. When we've got the all-wheel drive version, we add another 150 kilowatt motor up front, giving a pretty impressive car, which is going to accelerate from 0 to 100 in about 5.5 seconds. But, you know, here at BYTON, we take that stuff for granted, okay? Of course, it's an impressive EV. Of course, it's a premium EV. But what I'm proudest of as the engineer responsible for this, is that we've actually managed to deliver all of the cool concepts we showed. The UI UX, which is truly groundbreaking. So the new way of interacting with the car. That's really what's unique about BYTON. And again, as a team working with the designers, we've managed to bring those to the customers in the production version of the car. So really proud moment for all of us, and I'm very proud to be representing the team here.
And now Frankfurt Motor Show is a super important milestone for BYTON's development. It's the first time we showed a production version of our smart device on wheels, and it's a great combination of a high quality car with great design and a complete new radical user interface. And going from Frankfurt now, we will move with super fast speed towards the mass production. And our plant in Nanjing is already finished the construction. We will start next month with the really first cars offline, going into the homologation process. And by middle of next year, we will hand over the first cars to Chinese consumers. And then directly afterwards, we will prepare the global launch in Europe and North America in the first half of 2021. And this is very exciting for us. Now we already entered a phase of also preparing the sales and marketing, and we are working together with retail partners to open our brand stores across China, around 30 stores until middle of next year. And at the same time, we are in talks with partners in Europe and North America, and we are very excited now to see this product to reality and realize our dream.